Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the meat pan in a Frigidaire refrigerator. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a couple of minutes to show you how to do it. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new meat pan. This meat pan is located in the middle of the refrigerator section. The main reason to replace the meat pan is if it breaks and won't slide in and out, or keeps the food inside. To get to the part, we need to open the fresh food door. To remove the meat pan, we simply pull it out. This is the old meat pan next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. If you pay attention, you will see that this side of the new meat pan is solid. There's no cut through. And on the old one, you can see these cuts. This is air grill for the chill air to go through into this pan. But don't worry, because it's going to work as designed. To install the new meat pan, we're going to slide the back end of the on the rails and push it all the way in. And now when we're done, we're going to close the fresh food door. Plug the fridge back in and make sure it's cooling. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.